We're Lance and Christy. Join us as we build our dream. Welcome to Knight's Helm Farms. And we got the cabin box. Look at that. You want to sit on it? Should we open it? I don't know where Zeus is. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Should we open your box? Okay. Let's see. Here we go. Oh my goodness, there's artwork. There's artwork. Look. It's so pretty. A kitty on top of a bunch of books in front of a window. Look at that. Of course it tells what's in here, but already there's a bookworm. Let's see if the bookworm smells good. Look, he has a red book. Do you like it? Oh, yeah. You're silly. Yeah, you're being really silly. See, here's your bookworm. Does it smell good? He's pretty cute. He's borderline book snake, though. Here's the potato. Potato chips. All these things. Gotta get these off of here. Potato chips. It's just a bag. There's nothing in it. But it crinkles. You like that? And there's a big wad of catnip back there. Oh wow, yeah. Ooh, that one's smelly. That's smelly. Here's the t-shirt. We'll save that for later. What's this? Cloud cat rug. I think this might be for you. Oh no, it's actually shaped like a cat. Okay. But it's just a piece of faux fur. A piece of faux fur cut out like a cat with the tail and ears. But you'll like that. That's nice and soft. Yeah, Zeusy likes it. Zeusy likes it. Hi, Zeus. And a black cat nightlight. You smell the catnip? I can smell the catnip. It looks like it's a plug-in nightlight with film on it. Well, we love to remove film. Got the film off. Here's the light bulb. How do you get the light bulb out of there? Venus, you're not interested in anything today? I have LED light bulbs I'll put in instead of the... Oh, maybe this one is LED. Black cat night light. Have to see what that looks like. It's like a nice matte finish too. I like that. Shiny on the back, matte on the front. Don't break the light bulb, please. Okay, so gotta save the box though, right? We can put all the trash into the nightlight box. Venus, did Zeus rain on your parade? All right, so what does this say? Oh, we didn't look at the t-shirt yet. But you're right in the middle of everything. Look at you. Look at you. Yeah. Oh. This is what smells. Oh. There's that. And there's this. This is what smells, though. It's this potato thing. Potato chips. Smooth that before it gets broken. Yeah. And put your face in there. You did. Yeah, that's where the smell's coming from. It's inside that bag. You just like that rug. That's funny. You know Venus is gonna like the box. She likes the box. Yep. There, I think I got all the trash in here. Trash. Alright, so this is telling us that we have a fluffy cat accent rug, which is just a piece of faux fur, so it's, I mean, it's not non-slip or anything, so. Is it bucking you off? Here. There you go. No, it won't. We'll probably make something out of this. The black cat nightlight, potato chip catnip toy, and berry bookworm. So the bookworm has a name, Venus. It's Berry. Berry. Oh, you like that? Oh. You're being crazy, but you kind of got your butt to the camera. Yeah. Show off. You mean to show off? Alright, let's look at the t-shirt. I don't know what the t-shirt looks like. It's a cat in a window. It's a nice color though. A cat in a window. Are you looking at the t-shirt? Uh-oh. Well, you're kind of raining on her parade today. Do you want these on the floor? You want this on the floor? Here. Here, we'll move the camera. There you go, Zeusy. Alright, so here are all of the rescues that they were able to donate last month, plus 6 others. That's awesome. And the featured cat artist is Rose Tamani. And I guess that's why there's a cat in a window on the t-shirt to go along with the cat in a window on the artwork. And it's similar colors too. Very nice. I like it. Alright. Looks like Zeusy's done playing because Venus isn't after it. If she was after it, he would want to be taking it away from her. Typical boy. Yeah. And Bibby, she's gotten up here in the October box. Oh, no, she's getting down. She's leaving. Oh, she has a cat toy. She got her own cat toy. She got a cat toy out of the other box. The other box is up here. Right here. And she took a toy out of that. Oh, it was the tarot card. One of the tarot cards. But now he's managed to chase her out of the room. Why you be so mean, Zeus man? Zeus man. Alright, well thanks for watching. We'll see what they send us next month.